Hyena attacks lion cub. Hyena attacks leopard cub. Living in a fiercely competitive environment does not give wild animals too many options to choose from. To survive, hyenas do not respect anyone. They are willing to risk their lives to get a meal. Right now, don't take your eyes off the screen. Let's explore. Hyenas recklessly eat leopard cub and the mother leopard's cruel revenge. Possessing an IQ 4 times that of chimpanzees, hyenas are extremely opportunistic hunters. Nothing can stop them from feeding, regardless of who the prey is and what the consequences are. Not only do they steal prey, they take advantage of every opportunity to even kill and eat lion cubs. Opportunities are something hyenas rarely miss. The moment a lioness is just born is when hyenas are easiest to attack. Prey has never satisfied the hyenas. They continue to target mother and baby leopard pairs in the area. Although unsuccessful, the hyena has no intention of giving up. Hyenas often intercept and then capture prey that leopards have recently hunted. Living alone and raising young children, leopards cannot fight. Once injured by a hyena, both the cub and the animal will starve to death. Continuously losing prey, mother leopards are forced to hunt farther. Waiting for its mother for so long made the leopard cub boldly leave its hiding place to look for its mother. The hyenas discovered it. How could a young leopard be a match for hyenas? Very quickly, the leopard cub was captured. Without hesitation, the hyenas bit the leopard cub to death and ate it. By the time the mother leopard discovered it, it was too late. The mother leopard frantically attacked one of the hyenas that was still eating the leopard cub. Having lost her young child, the mother leopard without hesitation continuously attacked the hyena in all situations. The anger reached its peak. The leopard frantically attacked and killed a hyena right on the main road. The mother leopard then took the hyena's body to a bush and ate it mercilessly. In fact, because leopards lead a solitary lifestyle, they minimize their involvement in fights with other predators. Leopards can even carry a live hyena up a tree and then kill it. Leopards are not amateur hunters, they have enough strength and tactics to kill a hyena. Too greedy for food causes hyenas to face imminent death many times. But those things never made the hyenas afraid and give up their prey raids. Even rushing into battle to overwhelm lions. You know, it's no coincidence that the lion is called the king of the grassland. The strength and tactics of lions are undeniable. The end of eating lion cubs and stealing prey from lions caused the hyena clan to receive painful deaths. Any hyenas that wander into lion territory are brutally attacked and killed. The lucky hyenas who survived were also seriously injured or disabled. Not only did they have difficulty moving, they were almost unable to hunt. What's worse is that when facing enemies, fighting ability is almost very low. Wild nature is always so cruel. To survive, not only hyenas but any animal must fight on their own. Every mistake has a price, maybe even loss of life, but they must continue and not be afraid. That is nature's rule of survival that cannot be changed. Please leave a comment to let us know. Do not hesitate to ask us questions. WAC-Wildlife will answer your questions. Hope the above information is useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support us to continue making more interesting videos in the future. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.